Make a great choice today with the 2018 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, overhead console, front bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.